What's up guys, कैसे हो? Eleanor, I hope everyone is doing great. Today is going to be a very busy day. Reason being, literally tomorrow we're going to start a ride and packing has already started. I'm running a little bit late. Almost time is 9:30 in the morning and I'm hitting the gym right now. All the junk is back. Room is going to look really untidy like this and like this for at least till I leave. Didn't even take out my panniers. Panniers are still drying up. Riding shoes, riding jacket, riding pants, gloves, everything is getting dried. We're almost perfect to leave. Only thing is I just realized that the tires on the Tiger have almost worn out. This is one scary thing. It's not like really bad. I can do, I think, another maybe 1500 kilometers on the rear tire. Front with okay. Problem is we're gonna leave day after tomorrow, and even if I can get the tires by tomorrow, I still get them replaced. For now, let's go hit the gym and I'll see you guys. All right. Today it's shoulders and abs. One of my favorite workouts, but very easy. Will not burn like many calories. I just finished 70% of my move goal, 421 calories only out of 600. Usually I do like 130, 140, sometimes 210% of my move goal, which would be around 1000 calories. That's okay. Let's go home. A lot of work to do. Quick detour to the bank. I need to do some signature, it seems. Shouldn't be vlogging here. Okay, done with the bank work, going back home. Turns out even the bank manager is our subscriber. Feels good. You're having coffee? You're having coffee? Papa's cup. Give coffee to Papa. Come here. Uff uff karo, uff uff. Packing for the ride has almost started, but now there is a genuine, like a proper concern I have. I checked the tires once again now and I feel there's not much life on it. I need to go to the store, buy the tire, take it to the tram showroom, get it replaced. I have just one day in between and then I have to even pack all this stuff. So I'm trying to do one thing. I think, I'm not sure, terrace mein ek tire hai, the old one. When I last removed it, I think it's got somewhere around 2500 kilometers or something. Luckily, if that is there, that's gonna save like a lot of time. That's gonna take a lot of tension out of me. Let's go quickly check it out. God, please, 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 please. I hope the tire is here. I hope it is there. Oh shit, I don't see the tire anywhere. I just threw it here. Oh, this was the tire which was torn. I remember while coming back from Ladakh. I don't think it's fine, yaar. There is little life, but there are a lot of cracks on it. Not recommended. I think the current tires which I have are better. Shit. Actually, this is the first set that came with the bike when I bought the bike, and then I replaced these tires with new Tourance Next. That is like the second set. After that, we have one more set which is the new tires, and then I have the third set right now in the Pirelli Scorpion Trail 2. One of the best tires. Only thing is the mileage on it is like pretty less. Tourance Next gives you almost 16,000 kilometers. The Pirelli Scorpion Trail 2 grip is amazing, which is the reason you get less mileage on it. It's a soft compound basically. I got, I think, around 12 to 13,000 kilometers on it. Now my concern is not all this. I want a rear tire, dude. Let me figure it out. Meanwhile, I think I'll start my packing at least instead of wasting time. I got the panniers in the top box, but I'm still not sure if I have to take these two panniers. When you have panniers, you feel much safer because it's like a guard around you. But then, you know, checking into your accommodation and getting out of it, it's a task. But then it's a trade-off. You have more comfort when you have more luggage space. You can throw in every damn thing. You can take 2 pairs of shoes, you can take 2 pairs of chappal, take whatever the hell you want. I'm not worried about clothes and all that. But for me, more importantly, food. Protein powders, supplements, oats, peanut butter, medicines, toiletries, face washes, body wash, that wash, this wash. Talking about face wash, there's a new retinol face wash by Mamaearth. As we age, our skin loses its ability to produce collagen, which increases the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. All these are usually caused because of pollution and sun damage. Retinol helps boost the production of collagen and speeds up recovery to reveal smooth skin and that even skin tone that everyone needs. Both the retinol combo, the face wash and the serum, they're infused with the goodness of retinol and bakuchi. Bakuchi, that sounds a little bit funny, but it's nothing but a natural source of retinol. Regular usage of the retinol face wash and the face serum renews and revives aging skin, giving you that good even skin tone. The retinol serum starts performing its repairing functions in the night, so it is advisable to use it before you sleep. It's free from all parabens, mineral oils, silicones, and there are no harmful chemicals in it. Most importantly, all Mamaearth products are chemical free and made up of natural ingredients. Every time you buy from them, they link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. They aim to plant at least 1 million trees by 2025, and we can be a part of this initiative. They are also plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastic than they use. Currently, they recycle literally 120 metric tons of plastic every month. You can use my coupon code Shriman2021, get flat 20% off at Mamaearth. Also, you can buy this from Mamaearth, Amazon, and Flipkart. Now let's start with packing all this important stuff, and then I'll still have to figure out what to do about my tires, dude. I'm really confused and I'm getting a little bit tensed. I've been talking from morning, but I did not show you my tires properly, right? Let me show it to you first. Oh, by the way, Shriman Kotaro is coming out, which means there should be a lot of noise. Someone will be constructing, someone will be making holes in the wall, someone will be flying a flight over me. Yeah. You see these tire markers? They're literally flat. It shouldn't be like this. You see the tire marker here? This is good. This is how it should be. At least quarter of an inch, not even quarter, like there's good life there. Problem is in the corners it's fine, in the middle it's become flat, which shows Shriman doesn't lean the bike too much. Most of the time he rides on proper straight highways. See, that is one of the main reasons I would like to shift the bike back, because riding these straight boring 4-lane national highways, not happening. This time I'm actually okay riding back, but then have to check with Rohit's leaves. All that is baat ka tension, abhi ka tension hai. And look who's here. Very dangerous. Especially with all that kind of junk behind me. AC. Already removed the panels from niche and put it upper. Shriman, when are you gonna clean up all of this and pack it into the panniers? There's a lot of time to do this. No, Naichu. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. By the way, it's getting much better. You'll be fine, Naichu. Okay? You'll be fine. What are you trying to say, dude? Punch. Oh, you shouldn't punch the subscribers. You should kichi. You should kiss. Come, kichi do. Kichi do. Kichi. Not punch. Kichi karo. Okay, Papa ko kichi karo. Come. Papa ko kichi do. Okay, subscribers ko kichi do. Only Papa ko kichi. Subscribers ko punch, huh? Let Papa pack, okay? Don't disturb me. You help me pack? You help me pack? Kaddu will help. A new game by Nice, new game. Come, play it again. Very good. Oh, by the way, I need to show you something about Naisha. New trick. Naisha, show me lungi dance. Lungi dance. Kara lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi. She does this. And also, whenever she wants to listen to that song, I just folded it, dude. Okay, so whenever she wants to listen to that song, she'll come to me and say, do it nice, lungi dance karo. Such a cutie, you're such a cutie. That doesn't mean you're gonna remove all my clothes and throw here and there, okay? Excellent. I did not expect this kind of help from you. What's up guys, kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. This is the next day, that is the reason I'm giving the intro once again. And finally I've decided to change the tires. Yes, we have to do it because I don't want to risk it. I don't want to go on a long ride literally till the north with these tires. They have around 1500 kilometers on the rear, front may at least 2500 kilometers, but it can get punctured too easily. So I thought anyways, after coming back I'll have to do that. Might as well do it now. But before that,
पारू? Thank you.
what is it? Paru.
पारू मतलब प्यार करो. In slang, पारू करो. पारू करो.
Okay, but before that, I'll have to drop these two people at their mom's place.
And our reality of life has started, Naisha. Papa's going again, and he's dropping us again, and we're going to Mama's house again.
Yes, vacation for me, vacation for them as well.
Yeah.
Some change.
Yeah, definitely need a change.
You're working from the same house since the last 1 month, more than 1 month.
Yes, even we are looking forward to the change. We'll meet my parents, spend good time with everyone.
Actually, we had plans to go out last night for a dinner, because generally when I go out like this for more than 15 days, I take Pooja and Naisha for dinner. This time that didn't happen. She was too tired last night.
I had a lot of work. This month is horrible, hectic.
Too much of work.
Work from home sucks. I hate it.
I'll be dropping them. Then I have a lot of work to do today. I have to come back again, take my bike, go to the Triumph showroom. Tires are ready there. Luckily I got a distributor. Huh?
तू बाइक बेच रहा ना बाद में, तो टायर्स क्यों?
बाइक बेच रहा?
नहीं बेच रहा.
पूरा वर्ल्ड को पता है मैं बाइक बेच रहा बोल के.
वो तो तेरा पैटर्न हो गया अभी.
अरे 4 years old है वो बाइक now. How is it a pattern?
तुम लोग को हर कुछ पैटर्न है. I'm bored, इसका ये ठीक नहीं, उसका वो ठीक नहीं.
अरे कुछ नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Only thing is अभी 4 years हो गया. I want to change the bike now, but time है, not now.
Thank God wife नहीं change किया. 7 years हो गया. Thanks for not changing.
Option है, shit, option है.
Oh right. Ask me that.
चलो, I'll drop this guys and I'll see you. So one important task done. Drop Pooja and Naisha at home. Now I'll have to go back home, eat some lunch, take the Tiger, and go back to the showroom the same way again. Get the tires replaced, and we are good to go tomorrow. But the only thing is, literally, this is the first time I'm doing so much of work just before leaving. Wrong timing. Should have done this like 2 or 3 days ago. It's okay. We'll have to experience this as well. So let's go. I just had my lunch. Oh yes, I'm drying my boots as well. Looking so dirty. I'll come back and clean it. Seriously, this much of work I did not have any time before a ride. All because of you stupid tires. First I thought I'll just change the rear tire, but then front also I decided to change because somehow I feel there is uneven wear. And when I'm leaving the handle, it is wobbling. Oh, we have full tank. I don't know if you people can sense it, but obviously why will you be able to sense it? I can feel it a little bit in the handlebar. It is wobbling. It's nothing to do with the fork and all. It definitely has a lot to do with the tire. So I think I'll directly see you at the showroom, alright? The bike that you're seeing behind me, this is really tempting. By the way, Sai Kiran is also here. He's clicking the pictures, rocket ka pictures. Whom are you tempting with that? He's trying to tempt Shiva with that. I think that is there for the delivery. Forget all that. Me being an adventure tourer person, this is really tempting, dude. Especially this color. Yeah, if I am going to go for the new Tiger 900, I'm going to go for the top end. There is a Rally Pro. That too, this color. Looks amazing with this matte grey, khaki grey, whatever you call it. With this golden rims and that white chassis. Amazing. Look, striking. इसके ऊपर put nice panniers and all that. It's looking like a proper adventure tourer army ka. Also tires are here, unfortunately, because I don't know what, there is a tire ban or something I heard in India, so we're not able to find tires easily. Luckily I found one dealer. People are looting us now because there is no tire stock. Literally I'm paying like 4 or 5 almost 9,000 extra. You know that? 9,000 extra on the same tire. Not even the first tire. There is Tourance next. इसके पहले Tourance है, Metzeler Tourance. That is the tire I'm taking, which I don't like, but we don't have any other options, so I'm going with it. There is Pirelli Scorpion as well. That is also available, but then that is also 10,000 extra. So you might get it for around 26,000 or something. They're selling it for 36,000. Doesn't make sense. And also we have plans to maybe, not sure, maybe sell the bike. So why to put like amazing tires on it and sell it? They're getting the tires changed. After that, chain oppressed. After that, let's see. I need to change speakers. My Sena speakers are not working. I mean, they're working, only one side is coming. and in the trip I managed like this while coming from Uttarakhand. Okay, bye. Chalo, done. New tires. Sriman Kotaru ka bike ka new tires. Let's see how these ride. Okay, these tires are definitely gonna be a little bit different because all these days I was oh shit, actually, oh man, these are different. Okay, you see the traction kicking in when I rev? You see that? The traction is continuously kicking in. So let me ride slowly. Anna, no, itla sudden ga raake brake vadu munde. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you. We had to change the front brake pads as well. Yesterday's vlog mein, literally yesterday's vlog mein, I changed my rear brake pads, and today front brake pads. See, I'm not able to rev at all. At all, see? You see this? It's not going, dude. Brakes are also new, so I have to be extra careful. But yeah, actually, let me take a test ride. It's not crossing 20 kilometers an hour. I really doubt. I think I need to go back to the showroom once again. Let me take a U-turn. Oh, at least the bike is moving, dude. You see that continuously blinking traction? I'll do one thing. Switch off the traction so that I can go till the showroom at least. Otherwise, it's not letting me go beyond. Okay, traction off. Yeah, now it rides fine. Okay, so the main difference I can feel right now is when I'm going like 40 kilometers an hour, the sound, the tire noise. It is definitely making a little bit of a tire noise. We are already late ho raha, and now this issue. Need to get this checked and jelly go home. Actually, packing is almost done. Our packing keeps going on till we actually start the bike. Let's go get this checked. Oh, by the way, someone took delivery of a new rocket. Vikas okkari Shrikant ni pilo. Chikatlo em chestunara guddoda light ayi. Okay, back home. Luggage is set, everything is ready. Top box, 2 panniers. Yes, I finally decided. Did I tell you this? I finally decided to take the panniers because I'm taking a lot of luggage. Actually, not a lot. I'll just be taking both the panniers, the top box, and the tank bag. That's it. That's it, anta. Into this goes no. That's it. Oh, by the way, there was a very small minor issue. We just solved it like within 2 minutes, and the bike is back to normal. Oh shit, I forgot about something. I have to ride slowly. New tires. I know that was a small but irritating issue. Once again, I had to go back to the showroom. No, but even if I would stop by the side and call someone from the showroom, they would definitely send someone. That is the kind of attention they give. I really appreciate that. By the way, it's not just for me, but this is how they are with almost all the Triumph customers. That's for sure. I can guarantee that. At least our Hyderabad Triumph is definitely like that. So then, boss ho gaya abhi vlog. I need to sit and edit all this. Literally time is 7:30 in the night. Abhi ye vlog ko edit karna. Pack all this, close all of this, do last moment adjustments. That's it. I think I'll put these on the bike, and I think I'll see you directly tomorrow morning, right? In case you're still not subscribed, do subscribe, because from tomorrow onwards, or whatever, the next vlog onwards, we're gonna have like amazing fun vlogs. I'll be taking you guys along with me for this ride. Let's have some amazing fun. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.